flaps, slats, spoilers, speed brakes, and trim tabs. These secondary flight control surfaces play a very important role in aeroplane. Flaps attach at the trailing edge of the wings, boosting lift for slower takeoffs and landings. Slats on the leading edge keep airflow smooth, preventing stalls at critical moments. Spoilers on top of the wings reduce lift and add drag, perfect for descents and landings. Speed brakes, they slow the aircraft without messing with lift. Finally, controlled by the pilot or automatically, trim tabs adjust the aerodynamic balance of the aircraft, making it easier to maintain a steady flight path without constant control inputs. From takeoff to landing, these components work together to keep every flight smooth and safe. Fly high, and please subscribe. Aviator Mandeep. Love you 3000.